now. Get that loose. The old charger should come right out.
Alright, in Ryan's video, he uses rivets. I had these self-tappers, some short ones, so I use those. And this NOCO plug should mount directly on there. It's just 3 screws that they include. But I gotta remove this harness and lights and everything. And then we got this NOCO plug installed also. So no more leaving the seat up and worrying about water getting underneath there. So that'd be convenient. But here she is, she's installed. I'll give you guys about a week update. I'm gonna try it out before I post this video. But this is the DC house, 36 volt, 100 watt battery.